Hi there. Oh, I picked the perfect time. The plane's flying over. I was just recording some of the peaceful sounds of living out here in the country and taking a few minutes of video of my yard back here and the peacefulness of it. It's a beautiful, beautiful spring morning. So in the front, I've put some of this in both corners in the front garden, and then I also put a few more asters in the back. I'm actually going to add another third spot back there, but so we'll keep an eye on those. I moved the mulch aside. It's a pretty heavy mulch, so I've moved it aside and we'll see what grows there. I hope something does. As you can see, my potatoes are poking their big heads out again. So I need to get more stuff to cover them up. Honey's mowing right now. And then I also have, I didn't get any pea seeds, and so I don't even know what these are. They're just some soup peas and beans that I had. But I'm going to plant them, and we're going to see if anything comes up. So, I don't know, they're like pinto beans and little white peas, kind of. So I have no idea what they will become, but we're going to plant them anyway. It's that time of year, so let's go for it. Do you know what they are? If you do, be sure to tell me. Okay, so I've piled up grass on my potatoes again. And back in there, I planted those brown beans that I had. I have no idea what they are, but we'll see if they come up. I planted 4 of them, so if even one of them germinates, I'll be happy. And then let's go over to here. I just did the same back here. I piled up more grass on my potatoes and tried to cover them. And then right down there is where I put those 3 white beans. So we're going to grow those there. Dave is going to bring me in some more trellising here, so I have some more, something hot. And look what we have here. Oh, can you see that? I have a big red spider. I don't know what kind it is. But we'll leave him be. And then you can see here I got another blueberry. Apparently you're supposed to have more than one. And this is a blue crop blueberry. And I don't know that I should transplant it right now because you can see it's already got fruit on it. So I don't really think I should because I don't want that to all fall off. But I also don't want to leave it out here. I want to put it in there with those strawberries. So I think I'm going to go do some research and see if I can transplant it while it's in berry. I don't think it's a very good idea though. Anyway, I'll be back. I'll let you know what I decide. I think I finally see some little carrots coming up along there. That's what I put there. Those seem to be in quite a little row, so that might be what's there. And then these giant guys, these came up from last year, and apparently I should be able to get them to go to seed or flower. It looks like they're already starting to flower. Look at that. Looks like some kind of a bulb, doesn't it? But apparently I can let them flower and save the seeds. I don't know how hard or easy that will be, but we'll find out. Okay, so in here with the strawberries, you can see I went ahead and put that blueberry there. We'll see how it does this year. That's where I'm planning to plant it in the fall, so we'll just leave it in there for now. And anyway, so I planted 3 lines of spinach along the strawberries. And then in the front, I did 2 little dupes of basil. We'll have those. And then this other long row here is celery. So we'll see what happens there. My little peas are starting to grow here, and I'm sure that it's plenty cool for them. But then somebody told me that they actually like sun. So I don't know how well they'll do over here in my shade garden. We shall see. And I'm just waiting for these to flower, so I can take some pictures of them. I've got them kind of everywhere, but I don't think they're the little pansies. But I'm not really sure what they are. Hopefully they'll have some pretty flowers, and that will make me happy. Yeah, so.
You shouldn't do that. Why are you taking a picture of me?
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Anything you'd like to tell them today?
Yes, your back of your phone matches your sweater. It looks very good against your sweater.
Well, isn't that special?
And I'm watching James Beach. Why are you interrupting me?
Because I can.
He's the one that answers spam email.
Yeah, I like him. He's pretty funny. Okay, I'll leave you to it. That and your nasty cat.
My sweet, dear, sweet little cat.
Yeah, whatever.
She loves me.
She does love you.
Yeah. She doesn't love you.
She does not love me. I have my own cat for that.
Oh, yeah.
Someday, maybe I'll get some pictures of yours.
Maybe if she
Or you might try to get some.
She's hiding.
She's hiding, yeah.
Already.
I'm pretty sure she's gone under the bed. Oh, yeah, she's long gone.
She's gone. What do you need a picture of me for?
Because I love you.
Yeah, right. What are you doing? Adding more family to your YouTube channel?
No, just you.
Just me.
I'm going to have a vote on whether or not we should redo your hair.
Oh, my hair.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Should we redo Mom's hair? Or at least put like a streak in it, right? Like one streak down the side or something.
I had a streak right in the middle. It was called white. I looked like a skunk.
Well, now you still do.
Say no. Vote no.
Vote yes.
I'll send you a prize.
Yeah, whatever.
I'll send you one of Lori's clocks. Your choice.
Your choice. I don't think so. Vote yes.
For a small fee.
I'll have a giveaway. So thank you so much for taking some time out of your day today to watch me tour around my garden. I really am trying to get some things growing this year, and I'm hoping that I can do much better than I have in the past. I appreciate your time, appreciate any hints or tips you can give me that'll help my garden grow, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care of yourself. Bye now.